I'm here today with this Volt X 12 card binder, and it's quite large, as you can see, but you can still manage it quite well. If you want to hold it like this and then go through your cards, it's a little bit hard. So it is a little bit heavier because you can put more cards in there. But Volt X, it is a little bit more expensive, but this brand is so great. So the outer material is completely waterproof, so you can spill things on here and your cards will still be safe. And then right over here, you get these zippers, so you can easily close that up so nothing can fall out. So having the extra security in there, I think that is just awesome. So I trust Volt X with all of my Pokemon cards. I also use them with Marvel Champions. Any type of trading card or sports card, you can fit in those. And what I do like about these types of binders is the material in between. So with a lot of binders, the cheaper ones, you have the cards on the front and on the back. They're in the same sleeve, right? So they touch each other. And here you have you can side load them, so that's quite nice, but you have this black material in between, so it's completely separated from the back, and I think that is a very nice addition, especially if you really want to take care of your cards. Having something like that is really great option here. So Volt X, very nice brand. This soft material here on the inside, this velvety material, and this will last you a long time, a lifetime, I think, if you treat it well. So Volt X, pay a little bit more and get something like this, and having it's quite nice having like more card options. Most of the binders are 9 card binders, 3x3, and this just gives you a little bit more room to look at if you have a larger collection or specific cards that you want to put side by side. So I hope this video has helped you make your choice.